Hello everyone, welcome back to Olympiad Learning. Today we are diving into powerful technique in calculus integration by transformation. If you have ever struggled with tricky integrals, this session is going to be a game changer for you. So we are going to start this session and we have already done practice with some question in previous session. Now we are having some question here and we will going to start this. Those who are my new subscriber, thank you for them for being with me, and those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's do here. I am having some question regarding it, so you can see here I have this question. Integration cos 2x sine 5x into dx. This integration we are just going to do, and if you know the solution of this, you can write me in the comment. So let's do here. Before going to solve this one, we should know the technique to transform it, and we have some formula to conquer this problem. Here we are seeing that the cos and sine is there, so we need to have one formula, that is cos and sine together. So this formula is 2 cos A into sine B. Okay, so here we have sine A plus B minus sine A minus B, because cos A is greater than B, so I have written here in this way. So I have sine, then I can write A plus B, this is what formula, then minus sine and A minus B, this is formula, right? And now this formula is going to be substitute here. So before going to do this one, I'm just going to solve here. I can write 2 and then cos 2x sine 5x. You can see here 2x is what? Less than 5x. So I'll be having this formula. I can write this one 2 sine 5x into cos 2x, and this will be sine A plus B, because A is greater than here B, 5x is A and B is 2x. So sine A plus B I have, and then plus sine A minus B. I have sine A minus B. So this one I'm just going to use over here. And welcome to my channel. Here sine A plus B plus sine A minus B is equal to 2 cos 2x sine 5x. This formula is going to use over here. You can see 2 is not here over here, and in my formula 2 is there. So I need to do one thing, that is integration and cos 2x sine 5x dx. So I can use here 2, and if I multiply 2 over here, I need to divide it by 2 over here, right? I'm just going to divide it by 2. So this is giving us this formula, and this 2 is not used here, so I'm putting this 2 outside. 2 and then cos 2x and then sine 5x into dx, right? And now we can use this formula here. Let's do it. In the next step, we are having this formula, that is 1 by 2 and then integration, this will be sine okay, sine a plus b. So here 2x plus 5x, so 2x plus 5x is there, and then you can see plus sign is there, the plus sign, and then 5x minus 2x. Why? Because 5x I consider as a, and 2x I consider as b. Okay, so that's why. And then here we have dx plus c. Clear? Okay, we have here 1 by 2, and then I can easily say that integration sine 7x plus sine 3x, and then dx plus c. Okay, so we have this formula. This can be now solved easily because everything has been done. Now only we need to separate this one. So let isolate it. This one, integration sine 7x into dx, and then plus integration sine 3x into dx and plus c. Okay, everyone, if you have any comment, just comment to me. If you like, please like. Here I have 1 by 2, and this will be integration sine x, so this will be negative cos 7x by 7, because we know that sine integration sine x into dx is what? Negative of cos x. But here 7 is just coefficient of x, that's why I divided this term by 7. And then negative sine 3x integration will give us cos 3x and divided by 3, and everything is over now. Now it's time to calculate all those together. So here I am putting here, so this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is going to multiply with all, so 1 into cos 7x giving us cos 7x, and negative is there, so negative, and 2 into 7 is 14, minus 2 into 3 is 6, cos 3x plus c. So this is the solution of this problem. Which problem? You can see this one, cos 2x, cos 2x sine 5x, integration cos 2x sine 5x is having this solution. Do you have any doubt regarding this problem? You are welcome to do comment over here. We have many problems to do the practice. Let's do another problem. Here we are having 7. Next problem, I can say that this one was 6th problem, because 1 to 5 I have done in my previous session, and this one is question number 7. So you can solve this problem here, cos 2x and then cos x by 2 and then dx. Then okay, so dx is there. Okay, so let's do it here. And now we need to know the which formula is applicable here. Both are cos, and we know that if both are cos, so we'll have this formula 2 cos a into cos b, so that is what? Cos a plus b, plus cos a minus b. So here cos a minus b, then plus cos, cos a plus b. I can use this formula here to solve it. But here you are saying that 2x is there and here x by 2. So instead of a we have 2x and instead of b we have x by 2. But 2 is not there. That's why I'm going to multiply this term with 2 and divide it by 2. Let's do it here. 2 I'm just going to multiply and 2 I'm just going to divide, so that we can achieve our this transformation with this formula. So 2 cos 2x and then cos x by 2 and then dx. So this is 1 by 2 we are having, and then 2, then cos we have 2x and cos we have x upon 2 and then dx. Clear? Yeah. So now we are going ahead, because everything I have just decorated over here. What we have to do to get the integration with this transformation technique, everything is there. How I am solving, okay, you can watch over here and you can do it by yourself also. So we have this formula. Now it's time to transform. So this one is what, 2 cos 2x cos x by 2. So instead of a we have 2x and b we have x by 2. So we are going to use this formula, cos and a minus b. A is 2x because 2x is more than x by 2. So I am writing here 2x minus x by 2, then plus cos, then 2x plus x by 2, and okay, everything is over now, and then dx. Okay, here 1 by 2. Now integration cos 2x minus x by 2. Here 2 to the 4, 4 minus x is 3. So we have 3x by 2. Is it visible? 3x by 2, yeah. And then dx plus integration and then cos, here we have 2 to the 4, 4 plus x, 5x. So cos 5x we have 2, and then dx plus c. So I can move ahead 1 by 2, and this what, integration cos 3x by 2 is giving us sine. So sine 3x by 2, and that will be divided by the coefficient of x, which is 3 by 2. So here we have 3 by 2, and then plus this will be sine 5x by 2, and the coefficient of x is 5 by 2. So I am writing here 5 by 2, then plus c. Okay, we'll move ahead here. Let's do it. So now we have 1 by 2, then sine, so we can write 2 sine 3x by 2 divided by 3, then plus 5, here 2 sine 5x by 2 plus c we have. And now it's time to multiply 1 by 2 to both these terms. So here 1 by 2 is going to multiply here 1 by 2, and then 2 sine 3x by 2 and divided by 3 plus 1 multiply with 2 sine 5x by 2 and divided by 5, here 2. The 2 multiply 5, 2 multiply with 5, and on the last we have constant term, that is c. Okay, so let's cancel this one. So we have this one, 2 to cancel. So we have sine 3x by 2 divided by 3 plus 10, 10, this 10 going to be multiplied here. 2, we have sine 5x by 2 plus c. So this is what our last result. Sine 3x by 2 going to be here divided by 3, and 2 5 is 10. So here 5, and here sine 5x by 2 plus c. This is the solution of this problem. So we have done integration cos 2x into cos x by 2 dx. That is the solution over here. You can see sine 3x by 2 divided by 3 plus sine 5x by 2 divided by 5 plus c. This is our solution. Okay, let's go for another one. Question number 8, we have integration cos 6x into cos 4x into cos 4x and then dx. If you know the answer, write to me. Can't we simplify it? Tejas. Which problem? Problem number 5, Tejas, or 6? Problem 5 has already been done in my previous video. You can know which question are you asking? 6, 7? I have already simplified question number 6 and 7. You can go through all the steps I have done. Which question you are talking about? Tejas. Okay, let's do this one. Cos 6x cos 4x into dx. Which formula applicable over here? The formula is what? Both are cos, so I can write 2 cos a into cos b. So I'll be having cos a minus b, then plus cos a plus b. This formula I'm going to use over here to conquer this problem. Okay, so let's solve here. Integration 2 is not there. I need to get this formula over here, so I'm multiplying 2 here and divided by 2, so we can get this formula. So 2 cos 6x and cos 4x, then dx divided by 2 over here. 2 I just divided. Okay, now I can have this one. This is integration. 1 by 2 I am putting outside of this integration. So integration I have, and this integration is that integration 2 cos 6x. Obviously 6x is more than 4x, so I am putting it before this term, and then dx, so that I can put this formula easily here. This formula can be put easily, so I'm just going to now use this formula. 1 by 2 integration, and this is what? Cos 6x minus 4x, 6x minus 4x. Okay, and then plus cos 6x plus 4x, then dx bracket. Okay, now I can easily solve this because we have already set up all the things, right? Let's do here. 1 by 2 and then integration cos, we have 2x into dx plus integration cos 10x into dx plus c. So everything is okay. Solve now. Only one step we are having. Okay, that is the integration of this cos 2x and cos 10x. So we know that integration of cos x is what? Sin x. Let's do it. Here 1 by 2 Then integration of cos x is what? Sin x, sin 2x, and 2 is what? Coefficient of x, so I'm just dividing it by 2. And then cos 10x is what? Okay, sin 10x, and 10 is what? Coefficient of x, so I'm dividing it by 10. Then plus c. Hi everyone. Safalta, hi. Hi Lakshmi, how are you? If you like, please subscribe my channel and do like. Sin 2x, 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 10 is what? 20. So we have sin 10x plus c. This is the solution of the problem. I have already gone through it. So this is the solution of this problem, right? That is okay. Which formula I have done? No, this one. The question was, cos we had 6x integration cos 6x into cos 4x is done this way, because we have this formula to cos a into cos b. If you are watching my video, you can obviously learn how to do integration by transformation, this technique, because I have used lot of examples here to solve. Okay, I know I just simplified it. 2 cos a into cos b is equal to cos a minus b plus cos a plus b is equal to what? I have used this one, integration to cos 6x into cos 4x into dx by 2. Why? Because 2 is not there. I need to multiply here and to divide it by 2. So that multiplying and dividing will not make any kind of alteration in the given term. Yes, let's move. Now what I have done here, we know that this is what, based on this formula 2 cos 6x into cos 4x into dx. So we know that formula 2 cos a into cos b is what? Cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. And here I have used 1 by 2 cos 6x minus 4x plus cos 6x plus 4x into dx. And now let's go for another one. Here 1 by 2 integration cos 2x plus cos 6x plus 10x is 6x plus 4x is giving 10x into dx plus c. So we have here 1 by 2 sin 2x by 2 plus sin 10x by 10 plus c. Why? Because 2 is the coefficient of 2, so here we get 2 in the denominator. Okay, means what? It is divided by 2, and the cos 10x, integration cos 10x is what? Sin 10x divided by 10 plus c. So on the last we can say that we have sin 2x, 2 to the 4, we have 4 here, and then sin 10x into 2 into 10 is what? 20. So this is the solution of this integration, cos 6x into cos 4x into dx. This is that. Okay, let's go for another one. This one was question number 8. Let's go for another. Question number 9, we have Sine 3x integration sine 3x sine 8x into dx. Okay, so I'm going to use one formula here because both are sine. You can see both terms are sine. So we know that 2 sine a into sine b is equal to what we have, sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Both are sine. So this formula, I'm not going to use here. I need to have this one, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, because both are sine. So I'm using this formula, cos a minus b, then minus cos a plus b. Here minus sign is used over here because both the terms are negative, sine. If one will be sine and another will be cos, then we'll have here sine, right? Sine, okay, a plus b, and if cos a is there and a is more than b, so that time we'll have here negative and sine a minus b. So here for sine a and sine b, we are using this formula here, to conquer this problem. So let's move on. You cannot see here 2, so but I am putting here 2, and then henceforth we have sine 3x and sine 8x. I need to put 8x before 3x, okay, but no issues here too. I am just dividing it because 2 going to be multiply and 2 is going to be divide, so that there is no any alteration in the problem. Let's dx, let's put dx. Now we should go another one here. Yeah, we have another this. So integration 1 by 2 is coming outside, and we have sine 2 sine 3x into sine 8x into dx. Let's put sine 8x before sine 3x. So 1 by 2 integration to sine 8x into sine 3x into dx. So we have this formula. I'm just going to use 2 integration. This will be cos a minus b cos 8x minus 3x, and both are sine, so putting negative, and then cos and 8x plus 3x I have, okay, and then integration dx. Do you have any problem? No. Now here I have, okay, one thing you need to put here. Here I have 1 by 2, then I'm just going to isolate it. Integration cos 5x into dx, negative of cos 8 plus 3 is what, 11x into dx plus c. And now 1 by 2 integration of cos 5x is what, sine 5x divided by 5 because 5 is just coefficient of x, that's why it is here 5, and then negative, it will be sine 11x divided by 11 because 11 is the coefficient of x, that's why I'm putting 11 over here, and here plus c I'm putting. Now 1 by 2 is going to multiply with this term and this term respectively. So here 1 into sine 5x is what, sine 5x by 2 into 5 is 10, negative 2 into 11 is 22, and here we have sine 11x, we have plus c. So this is what integration, okay, of sine 3x into sine 8x, both are sine. So we have this. If both will be cos, then here plus sign will be there, right? As we have done here, if both will be cos, here both will be cos, you can see plus sign is there. If both will be sine, then negative sign is between these two terms. So this is what our integration. Okay, let's do one more problem. Question number 10. Integration cos 5x cos x by 2 into dx. So this can be solved with this formula, that is 2 cos a into cos b, because both are cos. So I can write here 2 cos a into cos b, and this will be cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. So here cos a minus b, and here plus cos a plus b, over here a plus b. So I'm going to use this formula here. So we know we have 2 cos 5x into cos x by 2, and 2 I'm just going to divide and putting outside 1 by 2. So we will have this, okay, this term, and we can easily transform into this. Now in the next step, 1 by 2 integration, this will be cos, so 5x is more than x by 2, so 5x minus x by 2, and then plus cos 5x plus x by 2 we have here. Okay, this is, and then plus c. Now we can have this 1 by 2, and then integration cos 5x minus x by 2 is what, 10 minus x is what, 9x by 2, then dx, plus integration cos 10x plus x is what, 11x by 2, then dx, and on the last we have constant term c. So here let's 1 by 2, and then integration of cos 9x by 2 is what, sine 9x by 2, and I'm dividing it by 9 by 2 plus here sine 11x by 2, and 11 by 2 will be in the denominator because 11 by 2 is the coefficient of x, and on the last we are having this term. You can see this term is 1 by 2, okay, and 2 sine 9x by 2 divided by 9 plus 2 into sine 11x by 2 divided by 11 plus c. Okay, one step we are having, we need to multiply 1 by 2 with this and 1 by 2 with this term. So here 1 by 2, that is 2 by 9, is going to multiply, and then sine 9x by 2 plus 1 by 2 is going to multiply here. So here 2 by 11 we have sine 11x by 2 plus c. Okay, and on the last here 2 cancel, so we have here 9x by 2 divided by 9 divided by 2 cancels, so we have sine 11x by 2 and divided by 11 plus c. Okay, so this one is the integration of this problem, cos 5x into sine x by 2. We have done this integration. If you have a further doubt, you can just write to me in the comment. And we did this exercise. This session was regarding our transformation by integration. This is what integration by transformation. If terms are given in the trigonometric form, trigonometric functions like sine, cos, or sine cos or cos sine, so we need to convert the product of two sine, product of sine cos, or product of sine in their addition format or subtraction format, and then we need to do the integration. If integration will be sine x, then it will be minus cos x, and integration of cos x will be sine x. This was the fundamental concept of this integration, okay, by transformation. And this is what our session. Thank you for being with me, and please do subscribe, like, share among your friends. Thank you for being with me once again. Bye bye, be happy, stay safe. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye.